Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to do an unboxing. Gabor Paradox in Vanilla Mist. Now I've not tried this style or this color before, so I can't wait to see both the style and the color and to show them to you. I purchased this wig with my own funds from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over there and check out wigstudio1.com. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification button so you don't ever miss my uploads. And also follow me on Instagram. I have Coffee with the Crazywiglady, wig giveaways, makeup giveaways, all that over on Instagram. So after this unboxing, I will take this outside and do some outside video for you, some outdoor photos. So be sure to stay to the end to see that. So let's get started and look at Paradox in Vanilla Mist. Okay, let's have a look at Paradox in Vanilla Mist. It comes like this. I like Gabor's boxes. They're always so pretty, sturdy, well made. Okay, it is in a hairnet. That is a pretty color. I've been anxious to see this color and I wanted to try this style. When I ordered this, I saw that this has bangs, so I have my hot air tool ready to use, because on almost every wig that I show that has bangs that I wear, I will use my hot air tool just to bump those bangs under a little. So I'm sure I'm going to have to do that with this one. Okay, yes, Vanilla Mist, that's pretty. I like it. Take the net off. That's a little packing. All right. I want to show you this color. So this is ashy. It's an ashy color, cool color. And I read the description and it says that it is a little darker at the nape, and I agree with that, it is. And then it is blended with all of these different ash blonde and blonde shades. Give you a look there. Has the crisscross part. So it does have dimension due to that different coloring of the ash blonde colors. Sometimes these ash blondes can be a little flat to me, but when they have it really mixed well, like this one is, that adds some dimension, and I like that very much. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. Okay, it has a lace front. This is a temple to temple lace front. Mono top. It has closed ear tabs, and they have stays. It's open wefted. It has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and it's very stretchy. There's a lot of stretch in this wig. Okay. Now let's see. The specs on this, it says the fringe is 4.5. So that's a long fringe. I will probably have to trim this. 4.5 is a little bit long for me, but you could wear it, I'm sure, swept over. Like I said, we'll probably use that hot air tool. The sides on this are 6.5. The back is 8. And the nape is 3.5. So that's a nice specs on this. Nice bob style. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's try on Paradox. Okay, let me see. Now, she fits a good fit. I wouldn't have to do anything. I don't believe I'd have to adjust it at all. But like I said, this has a lot of stretch. This longer bang, yes. Like I said, I have my hot air tool ready to go. I would definitely need to bump under these bangs a little bit. Like I said, it has the crisscross part. Let's take that out. Okay. Yeah. Now, this does have a lace front, like I said, so you could wear this off your face. Definitely. Which I like. I think that would be nice off the face. So nice bob style, low density. don't feel much permatease in this wig. There may be a little bit here. Feels like a tad. Let me see at the nape. If any, very minimal. Very low density, nice style. Okay, let's use the hot air tool. Be careful doing this, you know that. I'm just going to barely run this under my bangs. Just a little. Sometimes they need just a little help to get going. Not much at all. Again, I think I will trim these a little bit for myself. I like them just a little shorter. This is a little long for me and what I would probably be comfortable with. But just that little bit of heat there will help these be a little more manageable. Like I said, they're just too long. They're in my eyes. I wouldn't be comfortable with that. But if you like a longer bang, definitely check this out. I really like this style of this wig. It never goes out of style, as you know. And like I said, this is a little longer. My face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, so if this tells you where this might hit on you. It's layered around the face. You can see that. So it comes right under. That's very flattering for most face shapes. Let's see if I put a little sea salt spray in it. I do that, you know, on lots and lots of my styles just to piece it out a little, just my preference. See if I can get a little height. I can get a little height here. Like I said, it's a monotop, so there's not going to be permatease there, but you can work a little bit of height and movement. And like you know, the more you get your hands in these wigs and pull these fibers away from the cap, the more natural they're going to look. They'll get a lot more movement. And you can see just by working with this just a little bit, you can make this look super natural and get a lot of good movement out of here. I really, really like this style. This is right up my alley. I like a sleek bob like this that I can still get a little movement in, and the bangs are tapered down too. You see how they're tapered? So it creates a nice shape here. Again, this has a lace front, so you could wear this completely off your face if you would like. And I like that and absolutely would. Or with the bang down and side to the side, which you can do if you're not going to trim them. If you just want to sweep them off to the side, you can do that too. Okay, I'm going to take this outside. I'm going to make a little short outdoor video for you so you can see it in outdoor lighting. I will make some indoor photos as well so you can get a good look at Paradox. Thanks so much for joining me. Please again, like and subscribe to my channel and leave me lots of comments. I love to interact with you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.